Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to create a PDF and upload on a given Google form using a different software, or you can say a PDF creator. In this case we will use Adobe Scan. So let's see how it is used. So you can see as soon as you open it, it will show these four dots and we'll click the photo. When the camera is stationary, click on continue. Now turn the page and you can see the image is not good, so let's retake it. Now it is fine. You can also adjust it like this. After adjusting, click on continue. Now as we are done, no more pages are there. So okay, this one is by mistake one more, so we had to tap on this right bottom here. So we have got the first page correct, second page correct, the third page is repeated. You can delete from here, delete like this. Also, suppose you want the original image, not this processed one, so you can go to this color option and you can choose from these options. Suppose I want to go for original color and I like this color, I just have to tap on this apply to all pages. Now you can see both the pages are in same color. Now just rename the file, tapping on this pencil, cut this and you can rename it like this is solutions class test 21 Jan and just rename. So now it is done. Now you just have to tap on this save PDF and it is saved. So this is the file. Suppose you want to share this file via WhatsApp or via Gmail, just tap on this and you get an option of share copy. When you do share a copy, it will be shared in that way. But in our case, we have to upload this file on our Google form. So let's open the form. This is the form. Just add file. It is saying select from my device. Tap on this and you can see these are the recent files, I think, or the files in download. If I tap over here, you can see open from. It is already showing this Adobe Scan option. Just click on this. So these are all the files that we have scanned using the software Adobe Scan. But okay, where is the file that we have to upload? Solution. Okay, this is the file. So you can see solution class test 21 is uploaded and just tap on this upload. You can see the uploading process. It's completed and just submit. And we are done with the thing. Now suppose again you want to see where the file is, you have to open Adobe Scan and you can see, one second, let me close it properly so that you can understand what will happen when you open it next time. So when you open it, it directly opens the camera. So you have to tap on this home icon to see the previous files that you have saved in it. So this way it works. Thank you.